Not another one! Friends just keep on going missing. What are we gonna do?
Don't worry, everybody. I'm going to save all our friends that we lost.
Yeah!
Goodbye.
Okay, I'm getting airsick right now.
What in the world did you do to my flowers?
Don't worry about it. It's fine. Let's just talk to that giraffe over there.
That's not a giraffe.
This is it. That's where all the missing friends must be.
Great. Now how am I supposed to stop them?
Perhaps, good sir, you care to look at these giant tracks on the ground.
Very well. Now it's time for us to save the day!
Us? You destroyed my garden. Why should I help you?
They took your sister.
What?
Yes, I saw an elephant nearby. She was captured, and then I was trying to save her, but I was crashed.
Then this view will have to wait. Lead the way. Let's go save everybody.
Oh, my dear minion, let me tell you my tale. One day my eye got caught in a tree branch. That tree branch in nature hurt me. And that's when I realized I needed a way to defend myself. So I made these robot parts. Yes, and you as well. You were also weak. So I thought everyone was weak, and I needed to do something about that. That's why I'm turning everyone into cyborgs to make them stronger.
That fiend!
My sister!
What? Oh wow, they really did kidnap your sister.
You discovered my secret hideout.
That's right. Now tell us who you are, you stupid snake.
Why, I am Dr. Melinda Slithers, scientist extraordinaire, and this is my assistant, Corey. Welcome to my lair, brave hero, and to your doom!
We're here to stop you, villain. Let's fire up! Oh, Give it up, Doctor, or prepare to be burned.
You don't understand. I was trying to help you. This is for the good of the animals.
That's cool and all that, but no. We animals have the right to choose our lives, our destiny. Some of these friends don't want to be cyborg like you do. So why force them to do things you want?
I suppose you have a point. Perhaps my efforts were misguided. I'm sorry. Shut up!
And so our heroes won the day, the villains arrested, and all of the animals freed from the depths of the snake pit. Dr. Slithers swore to do better once she was out of prison. Phil apologized to Elmer for destroying his garden, and Elmer accepted with full forgiveness, shaking hands with our brave hero and deciding to protect the forest together from any future threats that may come nearby. The end.